Today we're looking at part number 4754-12. This is the 1" by 14 trailer spindle castle nut with the 12 slots. So this castle nut's pretty standard. It's going to work on 2,000 pound, 3,500 pound, 5,200 pound, 6,000 pound, and 7,000 pound, and even 8,000 pound trailer axles. So you can use this on a wide variety of axles. This is the spindle nut that just goes on the end of the axle, and real common, and then you put your cotter pin right in there and bend it over, and that's what holds it in place. So we'll take a look at it real quick. We'll get the measurements on it for you. So from outside to outside, the measurement's 1.46. That's the outer diameter, and the inner diameter is going to be 0.93. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thank you.